My Polo's interior has been humiliating me for weeks, shame. Every time I open the door, it whispers, "Sort out your life, chief." Maraita kini. Welcome to another video. So this is what we are working with today. It's not terrible, but it definitely needs some attention. Yeah, I've been ignoring it for way too long. Yeah, no, buying a car with a lot of screens seems like a good idea until you see the fingerprints all over. Yeah, it looks super ugly. I need to start charging a taxi fare, cause what do you mean that the chips I bought for my child are on the floor? I'll keep quiet cause I still love her. Now that you've seen the damage, let me show you how to detail the interior like a pro. First, we need to remove the junk lying around in the car. I don't even remember putting half of these things in the car. Then we remove the mats so that we can give them some tender loving care. A wise man once said, "Take care of your car the same way you do your women." The wise man is me. Whilst I'm still taking out the last mat, if you are enjoying the video so far, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. First, I use the great foam cleaner to give the PVC mats that premium shine. Apply a lot of foam cleaner to your mats, don't be stingy. All our products are very affordable anyway. If you'd also like to detail your car at home like a pro, then shop the great premium car care products using the link in the description. Yeah, look at that shine on the mat. I'm sure you can see all your sins through it. The mats look fire, shame. You'll never go wrong with the great foam cleaner. Next, I apply the foam cleaner to the carpet mats before vacuuming them. I love this product a lot, the same way South Africans love Savannah beer. I ended up taking the carpet mats from the car because I realized that it's easier to record and vacuum at the same time. This stain is very stubborn, shame. Just like your successful boyfriend who keeps promising to lobola you once his things work out. You have been promising to lobola her since before COVID, Mateo. Yeah, no, vacuuming a mat has never been this satisfying. Look at how clean it is. It's fire, shame. Next, we need to vacuum the interior. We need to restore law and order. Don't you just get happy when your car's interior starts looking like money even before you are done? This makes me super happy. Once you experience this feeling, you'll never take your car to the car wash again. This is extremely satisfying, ladies and gentlemen. When you see dirt, apply some foam cleaner. It will leave your car looking and smelling like money. Just how beautiful do the pedals look? They look fire, shame. I swear the foam cleaner is not the only product that we sell. We do have a lot of other premium products. For the doors, I'll be using the Shield Sheen Spray. You are not ready for this level of shine. Yeah, being poor and not affording expensive cars is really painful, shame. Cause what do you mean that the VW Polo has a lot of cheap plastics on the doors? Maraita kini. Look at that level of shine. This is really satisfying, ladies and gentlemen. The mats are clean, the carpets are clean. Let's take them back into the car. Now let's deal with that disgusting dashboard. It's like Bablomo's pigs were busy touching it with their dirty fingers. You can say anything you want, but AX the Great is really good at keeping a car looking clean and smelling like money, shame. Time to remove those dirty fingerprints. This screen also deserves some love. Yeah, no, for a cheap car, this interior looks fire, shame. It's really well put together. Yeah, VW makes the best dual clutch gearboxes. I'm ready to fight with you in the comments if you think otherwise. The dash now smells and looks fire, shame. So enjoy. This interior looks as clean as a baby who takes a medication. It really looks fire, shame. Next, I do the same thing I did in front. Time to vacuum those McDonald's fries. Earlier that day, I lost my Clicks Club card. Guess this is where my baby put it. You have already seen how I clean the carpets and the carpet mats. Yes, it is the foam spray, so let me spare you this time. I know I said I will no longer show me vacuuming the carpet, but I had to show you this part because it was very dirty, shame. Have children, they said. We are not jealous. Next, I vacuumed the Polo cloth seats because I was not rich enough to afford a car with leather seats. Mara itakini. A lot of people clean their cars' interiors, but they leave the boot uncleaned. That's like washing your clothes whilst leaving your underwears dirty. Clean that boot, man. Just how satisfying is it to vacuum all that foam cleaner? This is so satisfying, shame. The last step is wiping all the plastic trims, and now my boot looks fire, shame. I mean, look at that. Enjoy. Also give the load cover some love. It deserves it so much. Yeah, no, the video was becoming too long because when you are a pro like me, you do the most, shame. Let's move on to the last step. So I apply the shield shin spray into the air vents so that anytime I open the aircon, the car will smell like money, shame. Afterwards, I close all the doors on the other side and just apply the shin spray. Yeah, now that I'm done detailing the interior, it's safe to say that it looks and smells like money, shame. So enjoy the results. Now that you've seen how clean this car looks, I know you're probably wondering why your car wash doesn't leave your car looking like this. Mara itakini. Thank you for watching.